Alright, so let's talk about looking effortless, no? Paano nga ba nagagawa yan ng mga karamihan sa mga professional musicians? Or even, kids learning na nagpapakita ng ganitong klaseng potential, no? So, when we see someone performing, the magic behind it is parang wala silang effort na binibigay, 'di ba? That's what makes it magical. Sabi ko nga lagi, 'di ba? When I teach my students, I give them minor tweaks tapos parang nagiging effortless na yung playing nila. I call it magic kasi magic talaga, 'di ba? It's like a magician. When he performs tricks, 'di ba? Parang simpleng-simple lang. Ganun din naman sa music, 'di ba? When you perform, even yung mga mahihirap na piyesa, it looks effortless. But in reality, hindi naman talaga siya effortless. You put in the work to get to that point, no? Kaya importante talaga na mag-practice tayo eh. Kasi yung magic of playing effortlessly actually comes from years and years of practice, of effort na inilalagay natin. So, paano nga ba tayo maabot sa point na nagiging effortless na yung movements natin? So, it's the same thing as, kung familiar kayo sa mga nagbabasketball dyan, di ba? Yung mga pagbata pa, parang sa NBA, di ba? For example, laging dunk ng dunk, ganyan, drive ng drive sa loob. Tapos, habang tumatanda, they develop their game ng mas nagiging smooth yung shooting nila, 'di ba? Ganun din yung pagtugtog, no. Sa una, of course, you have to exaggerate everything. You have to make sure that you're doing the motions correctly, especially sa bowing when it comes to stopping the strings, 'di ba? Medyo mataas pa yung distance between your fingers and the strings for beginners kasi kailangan mo makita or maramdaman na okay, in contact na ako, or okay, yung bowing ko malakas na siya, 'di ba? So ganun. Until such time na palagi mo na siyang ginagawa, lumiliit yung gaps, no? For example, sa bowing, 'di ba? Instead na malalaki yung strokes mo, ngayon dahil nasanay ka na, you can do smaller strokes with the same quality of sound, for example. Or even yung pagpe-press natin, bas bumibilis pero maliit lang yung distance in between your fingers and the string. Kasi alam na ng katawan natin exactly where it needs to be. So it needs a lot of mastery to get to that effortless feeling or look, no? Kasi yun yung nakikita eh. Yung sa performance, you don't see the hard work, you don't see the hardships, the hours of practice put in, 'di ba? Ang nakikita mo na lang yung final product. Pero to get to that point, to get to that effortless magical moment, you need to put in the work. So nangyayari yun because nasanay na, alam na exactly ng katawan natin, no? The range of motion na kailangan, yung hindi sobra, hindi kulang, yung eksaktong-eksakto lang para mapalabas yung tunog. Kasi at the end of the day, it's all about efficiency, no? Sa una, pinapagawa sa'yo ng malalaki, 'di ba? Lahat ng movement mo is very big so that your body is aware na okay, ganito yung movement, ganito pag down bow, ganito pag up bow. And then, dadating ka sa point na yung movement na yon parang sobra na. Pero gagawin mo, liliitan mo yung movement, but you're trying to make sure na okay, maliit na yung movement pero ganito pa rin yung sound. Ibig sabihin, sumusobra na yung motions natin. So dahan-dahan siyang pinapaliit to the point na mukha na siyang parang wala ka nang ginagawa. So I think people should, especially musicians, should take that as a compliment pag sinasabihan sila na parang wala lang. 'Di ba? Because that's the magic in music eh. Kasi yung parang effortless mo siya nagagawa. That should be your goal when you are performing. Of course, syempre may mga din yan, may mga showmanship elements, but when we talk about the whole thing, it should look like you're doing nothing almost, no? Para mas mapalabas natin ng maganda yung sound, para mas mapalabas natin ng maayos yung performance. And yun nga yung magic nun, no? Pero in reality, there's a lot of work behind those motions, those movements na parang wala lang. So, pag nakakita kayo ng nagpe-perform na parang wala lang pero ang ganda-ganda ng sound, think about it. Think about ano kayang binigay nito? Ano kayang ilang oras kaya pinractice para lang makuha 'yon, 'di ba? And for a lot of beginners, that should be your goal na if you're playing, you should not look like you're struggling, 'di ba? You should look like you know what you're doing, unang-una, and pangalawa, should be efficient in your movements. That's why people can play long hours, 'di ba? They can play 50-minute concerto. They can play a symphony, 'di ba? An orchestra can play a symphony for like 45 to 60 minutes, 'di ba? Kaya nila nagagawa 'yon because of the effort. So nagiging low effort because their minds are following through with anong kailangan ng katawan. So walang shortcut dito, no? Para maging effortless, you have to put in the work kasi even though ayokong gamitin, but I think the best term for everyone to understand what we're trying to say is muscle memory, 'di ba? Kasi when muscle memory kicks in, alam na agad ng brain mo na okay, ganitong amount lang yung kailangan natin para hindi tayo mapagod, para hindi tayo ma-burn out. And ganito pa rin yung quality na lalabas. So you have to put in the work, get proper guidance, and yun nga, practice lang ng practice para makuha niya yan. So sana nakatulong to. If it did, comment down below. And I'll see you on the next one. Good luck sa'yo.